It's the producer. It's the producer.
Yo, I'm gonna turn this on, put it into the driveway. We're gonna push this shit out quickly, and then just swap cars. I'm gonna drive this in straight. So I have to turn around. I don't want to leave it in the rain. I'm scared of the water. Close to the side, or are you good?
I'm good over here.
Go straight. Go this way. Look, the mirror has to almost hit the lip. That's good. Put it on the lip. Alright, welcome YouTubers, welcome Gunners. We got Mike's car on the lift, and we're gonna prepare to take the motor out. So just pay attention to some of the way that we move and what we remove first and what we don't, and let's get this build started. So essentially we're gonna rip this motor out. A lot of parts are sold already on it, and then we'll start the lightweight reduction stuff. We won't worry about anything under the engine bay for a long time. What we're gonna attack after the motor is out is the interior. So we're draining fluids now, and we're good to go.
It's the producer. It's the producer.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Motor's out. Chassis is going to start getting ready to get cut. Enjoy this video. You're going to have to take apart the motor. There's a bunch of stuff sold off of it. So sold the transmission, still have the twin disc available with the Tilton twin manifold. So I'm going to rip apart the motor and part out the motor. I'm going to switch that subframe over to manual. I don't really like the power steering one. So that's next, and yeah, that's it. Button it up just for it to roll. We're pretty much moving. You hanging it?
Nah.
Yeah, you hanging it.
He working.
You working?
Yeah.
That's called work?
Yeah.
What you doing?
He wait for you for.
Oh, you want to shoot some dice?
Yeah.
Alright. Make sure you go follow
Right.
my boy's channel, man.
For
Chuck
play.
Naughty, man.
Chuck Naughty,
Chuck
man.
Naughty on the YouTube. Vicky got his own channel.
He got
man.
a
Chuck
lot of money
Naughty.
today. Got a lot of money,
You
bro.
don't got no
Oh,
money, bro.
watch it.
Yeah, you want to gamble. Oh, you want to gamble?
He got $2 in my pocket.
But yeah, man, don't miss out this build. We are going to cut the living life out of this car and make it a killer. It'll probably run, we're going to probably try to have it into like a 9-second car
Yeah,
with the simplest, cheapest stuff in the motor. Not the cheapest stuff, but the simplest build. We're just going to rely on the power to weight. So enjoy the vlog, man. Here we go. I'm going to end this live and get you with a to-do list and some preparation on what tools to get, right? The first thing I want you to start off with, because we're going to start lighting up this car together. We're going to start doing the weight reduction tomorrow. So I want you guys to start with the spot weld cutter. This is it right here. This is the part number. It's by Blair. I got it from Amazon. It's by Blair. The kit number is 11082. This is going to be crucial when we start doing the weight reduction. Crucial. Spot weld cutter. You're going to get your own circular saw, whatever this is called. What is this called, Vic? Right, let your cutter right here, grinder, whatever you want to call it. 4.5-inch blades for metal. You're going to get just a regular grinder to grind off the rough edges. And then you're going to get the sandpaper. This is a DeWalt one. It's like sandpaper and a circular saw for the saw, whatever you want to call it, for the grinder. And everything you're going to buy is 4.5 inches. So 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches. The blade's 4.5 inches. And then last but not least, the vibrating saw. This is for the hard to reach places so we can skin some things. And that's it. Plenty of gloves. Real good durable gloves. Because when we start cutting, it's going to start eating away at the plastic. We're going to wear long sleeves because it'll just burn our skin. And definitely a mask. Something just like this. Amazon. I think this was like $9. This is going to be crucial. We're going to do this nice. We're going to do it clean, but safely. Goggles, protective glasses, whatever you need. We're doing this safely. We're so fortunate to have this canvas because it's got a lot of stuff still on it that I can show you are these little tricks to getting rid of some weight. So we'll start basically Monday on the car, and I'll upload this video maybe tonight, and that's it. So get all your tool stuff ready, rewind it back, start preparing yourself, and we're going to show you exactly how to cut up a car the proper way by yourself. You won't have to ask anyone else but watch the videos. So happy Mother's Day to all your mothers. Keep gunning, man. God bless all of you, man.